Welcome to a quick look at the ClawsCover outdoor seat and back cushion replacement. Covers designed for 6-piece wicker, rattan patio conversation sets. These cream-colored covers fit sectional couch chairs perfectly while including covers only. Refresh your outdoor space easily with a fresh look that upgrades your patio aesthetic. The durable fabric handles outdoor elements while keeping your seating area looking neat. Transform your favorite outdoor furniture without replacing the entire cushion set. Enjoy a clean and polished appearance for every gathering on your patio. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.